Hello everyone, welcome to the Idealist Academy. Today we are going to perform another experiment of series, that is your detection of Vanaspati or hydrogenated fat into a milk. Okay, so what is this Vanaspati? Why this Vanaspati fat or a hydrogenated fat are added into a milk? The reason behind the addition of this Vanaspati or a hydrogenated fat into a milk is only that this Vanaspati or the hydrogenated fat are cheaper. Okay, so when we get the fat from the milk, then also the that fat is what that fat contain that Vanaspati, and they sell at a cheaper rate. But when this Vanaspati or hydrogenated fat are added into the milk, it decreases the quality of the milk. Okay, how they decreases the quality? Because it contain a trans fat, and this trans fat are very very harmful effect on the health of the human being. Now, due to the consumption of that Vanaspati edible fat on a daily basis may raise to a cardiovascular disease and also raise a blood pressure. That's why it is very important to detect this Vanaspati into our sample. Okay, here the adulterant are what? The adult Vanaspati and the hydrogenated fat are act as a adulterant, and we have a sample. This sample are extracted by the method of Soxhlet fat extraction method. Okay, now what we have to do? We take a milk as a sample and we put that milk inside the Soxhlet apparator, and this Soxhlet apparator extract the milk. Okay, this Soxhlet, with the help of the Soxhlet apparator, Soxhlet extraction, what we have to do? We extract the fat from the milk by using a solvent. How we extract this fat from the milk with the help of the Soxhlet method? The video related to this are already uploaded in our account. You can check it and see that how we extract it. Here I'm just giving you a quick recap. We have a Soxhlet apparator, and we put a milk into a thimble and put a thimble inside the main apparator. Then we added a solvent. Now the choice of the solvent are totally depend upon the nature of the product, that nature of the fat that we have to extract. According to that, we have to choose the that solvent. Then it takes around 4 hours for the extraction. Then we get what? This is your extracted fat. Okay, this is what? This is your extracted fat. Now you can also extract the fat by another method, that is called a Rose-Gottlieb method. Okay, but the Soxhlet method are more appropriate for the extraction of the fat. You can check our video in which we already explain all the all the procedure of the Soxhlet extraction method. Now for performing this experiment, we require two chemicals. One is your sucrose, that is your sucrose, and one is your concentrated HCl. Now again we are using a concentrated HCl, so we have to take a extra care, because this concentrated HCl are what? They are corrosive in nature. So we have to avoid it to come in direct contact with that concentrated HCl. Okay, now we have to wear a proper gloves, proper mask, and proper lab coat when we are handling that concentrated HCl, because if it come in contact with our skin and if it is absorbed by our skin, then it will harm our skin. It cause irritation, even it will burn our skin. If it come in contact our eyes, then it will damage our eyes. We have to avoid to inhale the vapors of the concentrated HCl. Then obviously we required a test tube for performing the test. Then we required a micropipette of 1000 microliter or 1 ml micropipette strip, spatula. Then this is your dropper and test tube holder, test tube stand, and this is your measuring cylinder. Now what we have to do, we have to take a sample into a test tube. Suppose that if you take a 2 ml of the sample, then you have to take a 2 ml of this concentrated HCl. The amount of the sample and the amount of the concentrated HCl will be equal. Now, first of all, we have to take a sample with the help of this micropipette. Now take it with the sample. One, two. When you are taking a sample, you have to avoid the bubbles. If the bubbles are occur, then error will be occur. Okay. 3. We take a 3 ml of that sample. Then after that, we have to add a 3 ml of this concentrated HCl. Then after that, we add a half that spatula of that sucrose and mix it properly. If the vanaspati or the hydrogenated fat are present in our milk fat, then it turns pink color. So let's see, is it happen or not? Now we take a 3 ml of the sample and we have to avoid its vapors. One, two, three. Now see, we take a 3 ml of sample into our fat. We have to mix it properly. Then we have to add this sucrose. 1 spatula. Then after that, we have to mix it properly. When you are mixing it, you have to mix it just far away from your skin. Now see that we don't get any pink color, which means that our sample does not contain any vanaspati or a hydrogenated fat. So this is all about the detection of the vanaspati or the hydrogenated fat by using this method. I hope you will understand, but if you have any query related to this experiment, you are free to ask me in a comment box, or for a further detail, you can follow the ITLS Academy on different platforms. That is your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn. And subscribe our channel ITLS Academy on YouTube and get our app from a Google Play. You can also visit our website, that is your www.itlsacademy.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.